Hello and thank you for purchasing the Cool Off Island Breeze misting fan. Follow these instructions in order to successfully construct your unit. Check that you have all the provided equipment and tools before beginning construction. The provided fasteners are labeled below. Attach the small wheel to the front of the base using Set A fasteners. Feed the bolts through the 4 holes with the spring and flat washer as shown and secure with the nut. Tighten with a 14mm wrench and socket wrench. Rest the base against one of the large rubber wheels and attach the other wheel using the spring washer and nut. Do the same with the other rubber wheel. Tighten with an 18mm socket wrench. Loosen the bolt located on the bottom of the vertical frame and remove. Place frame into base and hand tighten the bolt. Tilt base onto side for easier access for tightening. Tighten with an 18mm socket wrench. Place the mist plate face down on a soft surface and unscrew the 4 screws and washers. Place the front fan cage on top as shown and tighten the screws. Be sure to position the cage with the slide clip at 12 o'clock and the nylon tubes at 6 o'clock. Secure the racket with the same screws. Place the fan motor on a firm surface and remove the 4 screws as shown. Secure the rear bracket with the same screws. Install the fan blade to the motor spindle, being certain to have the connecting screw pressing hard against the flat cutout on the spindle. Failure to do so may cause the fan to detach during operation. Connect the front and rear fan cages. First, press the slide clip on the front cage at 12 o'clock onto the rear fan cage, also at 12 o'clock. Now snap the 5 clips to fully secure the front and back cages. Place the black water vessel on the base, allowing the 4 pads to fall into their base holes. Lean the bracket base fully back and thread on the 4 remaining screws with the large washers to fully secure the unit. Push the small tubing from the frame control through the small hole in the water tank. Open the tank and connect the pipe to the pump. Connect the power cable, making sure to line up the arrows, and screw tight. Push the larger drainage tube through the same hole. Place the fan motor on the bracket as shown, and tighten the brass screw to secure. You can also tighten the large nut to increase tilt resistance. Connect the power cable from the fan element, making sure to line up the arrows and screw tight. Insert the tubing into its corresponding insert. Connect the power connections from the frame control to the fan using the same method as before. If oscillation is desired, screw the brass arm to the outside of the circular black connector. If no oscillation is wanted, connect the brass screw to the center hole as shown. Fill the tank with water and connect the fan to power. Activate the fan motor by pressing the switch and the mist motor in the same manner. The dial on the side of the bracket allows for more or less mist. The motor has 3 speeds, which can be adjusted by turning the motor dial. For added chilling, add ice to the water tank. Thank you for purchasing the Cool Off Island Breeze misting fan. We hope you enjoy your purchase.